Hello and welcome to Miss Pam Reads. Today we are reading Red Truck Monsters, Monsters in a Mess by Candice Ransom, illustrated by Tyrell Solomon. Red Truck Monsters, Monsters in a Mess by Candice Ransom, illustrated by Tyrell Solomon. Wait. There we go. Red Truck Monsters off to shop. Parents, kids, down they hop. Monsters take a morning stroll by a goldfish in a bowl. Henry, Jane, its name is Bill. Red truck motors up the hill. Once at home, they look around. Not an empty spot is found. Is there space for little Bill? No room on the windowsill. Bathtubs here and flat tires there, junk and clutter everywhere. Dishes, puppets, socks and such. Mama Monster cries, "Too much!" We must clean up, move those sleds, clear out closets, under beds. Monsters sweat and monsters stress. Monsters tackle great big mess. Tractors, trucks, and building blocks, busted clocks that lost their talks. Keep on clearing, pitch, toss, squish. Still no place for one small fish. Out goes the garbage, out goes trash. Say goodbye to fake mustache. Donate goods that others can use. Pictures, soup pots, new tap shoes. Boxes all go in the back. Will they all fit? Push, squeeze, stack. Dump is busy as a fair. Recycle here, donate there. Back at home, the family beams. Floor to ceiling, their house gleams. No junk or clutter anywhere, but Bill's bowl seems kind of bare. Monsters take another spin. Bill comes along. See Bill grin. Twisty highway, water slops. Hey, a yard sale, red truck stops. Smart idea? Not a bit. Fishy lampshades, goldfish game, painting kit to paint Bill's name. Pirate, mermaid, bye. Stuff in red truck hits the sky. Also, castle seaweed, treasure chest. Bill the fish gets all the best. Now their home is, can you guess? Monsters call it Mess, Sweet Mess. The end. Thank you for joining me for Miss Pam Reads. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you'll get an update when a new story posts. Bye.